Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to recover hidden and corrupted files from virus-infected USB and external drives. First method is Open File Explorer. Find USB drive letter. Open Chrome browser. Type drive letter CALAN, press enter key. Open folder and retrieve files and folders. Second method is Open File Explorer. Open command prompt with administrator rights. Type drive letter CALAN. Type attrib space, -a space, -s space, -h space, ** space, /s space, /d space. Change folder name. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.